like a rookie, I got it to start, but I didn't record any sound at all. I'm not gonna end this video without you guys hearing how it sounds, and it sounds pretty awesome. So I got my setup over here, got my gas tank going in, got two check valves, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. Since it just ran, it should be good to fire right back up. So let's give it a shot. Actually, turn this fuel on. Let's turn the key on. Turn both fuels on. Well, that sucks. There she is, running. And then got our tachometer working. Yeah. Let me turn it off. She runs again, man.
That pumps me up, man.
She runs again.
Was it too bad getting started, or was it pretty easy?
It seemed like it was just the main jets. I'll send you a picture. They were like pretty clogged up.
Yeah.
So it's like I bought all of this, and I remember you told me that you changed the oil and everything, and I ended up checking anyway, and I was like, yep, he definitely changed the oil because this is fresh oil.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, the first start, it shot a fireball.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. It sounds dope, doesn't it? It sounds awesome.
Yeah, it definitely does. Like I said, I'll probably, once I get it painted and fix some frame stuff, I'll shoot you a video or maybe hit you up again so you can see it.
Yeah, sounds like a plan, man. Let me know. I'll be around.
All right, take it easy, man. Have a good night.
I'm gonna see you
Later.
Bye.
Huh, didn't know it was still recording. Yeah, as we can see, it runs now. It's no longer dead. This thing runs. I just called the previous owner up and let him see it run, and man, he was ecstatic, which that's dope. That's something that I've never done before. So to get a bike that he had and it was just kind of sitting in his shop because he was pretty busy. Pretty cool dude though, man. I'll try to tag him or something like that if he's cool with it, but dope photographer for sure. Man, this is a dope build. Like, it's nice seeing something run before you take it apart or before you mess with it. And also, if you mess with it and it don't run afterwards, you know it was you. So everything sort of kind of squared away. Everything sort of kind of runs. I mean, it does run. I just haven't went into a higher gear at all or into gear at all, period. So that'll be the next video, I guess, is maybe welding up these little holes where he mounted or self-tapered the seat, welding that flat, and then probably using these holes to actually bolt the seat down and call it a day from there. This is awesome. This is awesome, guys. All right. Well, it's getting dark, it's getting late, and your boy is ready to go take a shower and eat some. So, it's your boy PA, you're not leaving the shop. Peace. Take it easy.